Welcome back, Central Texas. Happy Thursday. We're taking a live look outside at our text.cam where you can see those road conditions. Roads are pretty clear, no traffic, even weather. I'm not seeing much on the board just yet. It is a bit cloudy, but a clear look at our I-35 camp over in Waco. Things are going to be dry for us today, so a little bit different than yesterday. That is because we got that weak frontal boundary yesterday, and it has allowed that area of high pressure to really move in, settle in. That's why things will be, like I said, dry, but a bit foggy. This stationary boundary is what's keeping things warmer, so that's why we'll still see mid-60s into our afternoon. But of course, that's not the biggest story. It's where's the winter storm? It is on the way. That is why we have not only a winter storm watch, but as well as an extreme cold watch in the next coming days expiring for us as we get into Sunday and Monday. Into today, like I said, no rain. Things are going to be quiet. Just a few clouds passing. As we get into tomorrow morning, isolated showers do start to work its way from the west, moving northeast into our viewing area. And we get into Saturday. That's when a little bit of change in our forecast. This is the latest update models. This is showing us that there's a slight chance for freezing rain as we get into early Saturday morning. But I think temperature-wise, we're not going to be cold enough for this to translate to freezing rain just yet. As we get into Saturday afternoon, I think temperatures, that's when they start to plummet to give us more confidence of that happening. You can see that being because, look, we're going to be really flirting with freezing temperatures, so about 32, 33, 31. That's a pretty close call is what we'll see on Saturday. Not the case on Sunday. We get into Sunday pre-dawn. That is when we have a little bit of a better chance for this translating to that wintry mix. Freezing rain, possibly sleet, and maybe some stray shots of snow. I'm not forecasting widespread snow across Central Texas, but what I can tell you is that once this system starts to clear into Sunday afternoon into Monday, we will still be left with dangerously cold conditions. And so that's why the biggest thing is, as far as what's going to determine on what falls, it all depends on how that cold front really works its way into our region. And as of the latest models, this system has slowed down a bit. And so that is the reason why Saturday is looking more so like rain, a close call for freezing rain, and really that's only going to be best for areas further north. As we get into Sunday, though, that front will have settled on in. We will have enough cold air in the upper atmosphere, not just on the surface level, to support that chance for possibly sleet and a low chance for snow. Regardless of any precipitation, if you're one of those areas that maybe doesn't see as much freezing rain, maybe doesn't even see really any sleet, either way, we're still going to have those dangerously cold wind chill values as we wake up Sunday morning. We're looking at single digits for most of the viewing area. Things are about to get very dangerously cold in Central Texas, so it's not just the precipitation that is the problem to be concerned about. Either way, taking a look at our 7-day forecast, look at how those temperatures drop. You can see we do have a weather impact alert for Saturday, Sunday. Those are mostly the days that are going to be an all-day occurrence. Now, what I can tell you that is what may give us a little bit of faith, a little bit of hope into this entire story is, even though Monday is looking quite dangerously cold, look at how we have mostly sunny skies return, clearing conditions. So if temperatures are just above freezing, as well as the sunshine supporting, helping to melt anything that tries to stick on Sunday, that sun is what's going to be one of the biggest factor that helps that stuff to melt across our viewing area. So that is what we're taking a close look at. Like I said, that's going to kind of be some of our saving grace to help conditions clear, become a little bit more impressive as we get into the new week ahead. But even as you can see, Jazz and Micah, Tuesday, Monday, Wednesday morning is still looking below freezing, but I think that sun once again will help to melt anything that we see.
Wow, yeah, and a lot of people are, preparing, getting ready for this. I know a lot of things were people out of an abundance of caution, canceling, certain activities this weekend just to, be safe in Central Texas. I was at the store yesterday. A lot of people were looking for heaters.
Yeah.
That was the big thing at Walmart yesterday.
They're looking for so much, especially at the grocery stores.
Yes.
Yeah, so here's a story.